Hey guys, what's up? And today in this video I'll be showing you how to create a Highscore/point system on Scratch. So first you're going to want to go up to the, what do you would call it, like title of the game? Yeah, whatever you want to call it. Then just enter what you want to call the game, so I'm just going to call this tutorial. So next you're just going to, unless you're going to make Scratch Cat your main character, just right click on him and then click delete. Next you're going to make a backdrop. Use vector, but if you're just going to make a solid color, just use bitmap like that, then there. So now you're going to create a new sprite. So now I'm just going to click this little paintbrush down here, just click on it. Make a little sprite. So you're just going to want to make a ball. If you want to do something more intricate, like a more intricate design, you can go ahead and do that. But since this is supposed to be a quick tutorial, just do a ball or whatever you like. Drag it into wherever you want on the screen. So first you're gonna just drag out two of these. We should wait, wrong one. We should need two of these. So just drag out two and do that. So you're gonna create two variables. First one we're gonna call one points. So do not click this box yet. I'll explain what this does in a couple seconds. So just have points. Now make a variable. Now name this variable high score. Make sure to click this. Now what this does, it's saying that the cloud variable, it's storing it on the server, which if you read this, it says it right there. So it's just storing it so high score can be used on other computers. Now you have that. Make sure to continually save your project just in case you go out. So next you're going to want to, when green flag clicked, make sure to put it, okay, so you're going to take a forever, and then an if then. You can clean up. If you would like to do what I'm doing, I'm just right clicking and then just clicking this clean up button. I just like it clean. If you don't really care, you don't have to. It doesn't really affect the code. I just like it easier to read. So make sure to use this forever, because if not, it's just going to read this code. It's not happening. This code goes away. So you're just going to grab this block, and under operators, if you use this block right here, just flip what this does. So just drag this and a little glowing light should appear and drop it. Now take your points. Now it's saying if points is greater than what? If your points are greater than a high score, it's going to run the code that's in here. So you're going to put change high score to points. Oh, actually, you're going to use set, because I think that does something else, which you don't want to find out. So now that works. So now when you click it, nothing happens. Nothing's working. So the reason is because you don't have no points. Nothing's happening with points. So you're going to when this sprite clicked, actually first put this set points to 0, because make sure not to do high score, otherwise your high score function doesn't work. This is just so your points never restart. So make sure to save, like I said, just do that. So now you're going to want, when this sprite clicked, you're just going to want to change. Now just remember to click this arrow, change points by 1. Now when this sprite clicked, it changes the points, and you can see since the high score is the high score. So now if we pause this or stop this and hit play again, see the high score stays, but your points resets. So you try to do it. If you want this, there's not really a point of this, you can just keep clicking forever, but you could add a time variable which times it and stops it, but we're not going to get into that in this video, unfortunately, but hopefully I should do that in the future. That is all for this video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to check me out on Scratch either. My username is DisneyGirl0727. So I guess that's it.